With over 40 years of experience in the woodworking machinery industry, HONGKY understands that abrasive materials play a crucial role in enhancing the value of our customers' products. That's why we focus on thorough research and continuous development of a complete range of abrasive materials to deliver the most effective sanding solutions. HONGKY flap wheels are widely applied in the woodworking and furniture manufacturing industries, from manual sanding machines to modern automated lines. Each type of abrasive cloth serves a specific purpose, including Arrestado abrasive cloth for sanding raw wood, whitework sanding, and lacquer sanding. Arrestado abrasive cloth for sanding primer layers and fillers. Oid brushes, supporting brushes, used to hold abrasive sheets in place. The raw materials used to produce HONGKY abrasive cloth are carefully selected to meet European standards, ensuring high surface quality and minimizing defects on wood workpieces, particularly during the primer sanding stage. In addition, HONGKY abrasive cloth is produced on an automated line with highly precise cutting, resulting in a flexible and adaptable design that allows for quick and easy installation. This significantly saves time, especially when using Arrestado abrasive cloth sanding for post-paint sanding. HONGKY abrasive cloth is also coated with an anti-stick layer, enhancing durability and maintaining consistent finishing quality on wooden surfaces. With an experienced technical team specializing in sanding, and the valuable consultancy of Danish expert Mr. Dennis, HONGKY is confident in providing sanding solutions that enhance product value and suit the specific requirements of each customer. If you're interested or would like further advice on abrasive materials for the woodworking industry, please leave your details in the comments section below or contact our hotline on 909-073-505 for prompt support.